Say good morning to the new Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. It's the perfect way to start your day off right. Choose your favorite bread, like an English muffin, a pancake, a bagel, or any other kind you prefer, and place it on the bottom plate. Then layer on the ingredients you love: cheese, pre-cooked meat, veggies. Close the top plate, add an egg, scrambled or whole, and let it sizzle. Then top it all off with your bread and close the lid. Breakfast is ready in just 5 minutes. Simply slide the egg plate out and open up the breakfast sandwich maker. Delicious. Hot. Hearty. Now you can make breakfast quick and easy, and it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is fast and simple. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Finally, real breakfast, real fast. Hamilton Beach, good thinking.